Hi guys, so I want to make my bed. Yeah, so this here is the, what is it called? The mattress cover. So this one I don't remove it most of the time. Yeah, so this is the mattress cover. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love.
As you can see, this what is it called? Oh, this duvet is double-sided. I've not put on the duvet cover yet, so we are washing the sheets and everything today, so I just want it to be bare like that. So as you can see, it's matching with my bed sheet. So you can put it on this side, you can put it on this side. Simple but very neat. Yeah, I know my walls are quite bare, but I prefer them that way. Yeah, so I'm thinking of putting a wall hanging over here, you know, but that's it. So what do you think, guys? What should I improve on? What should I improve on? But that's it. My room is quite simple, but I love it simple, no clutter. I don't like a lot of clutter, you know, and I don't like it so crowded. Yeah, the curtains, I got them a long time ago at Eastleigh. Yeah, so that's it, guys.
Find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
It's in George with a banana.
Banana by the
Tini crescent, Tini George with a banana. Yeah, it's chukua Tini triangle. It's chukua.
Once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Wacha kome kumbrai.
Yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
By the way, the start. Because I feel, because it's the start. tuulize tu huku labda kuna pahali. Okay? Zani? Oh, ile spotlight tulikuwa tuna nini? Single spotlight tulikuwa tunasoma. Oh, sana. Yeah. She's the person I'm recording. She's the boss. I'm her manager.
You see my ring finger? I don't want to get sick. How are you?
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Hi guys, I hope you're still doing well. So as you can see, niko hapa, I'm just chilling and waiting. My nanny ameenda grocery shopping, so I'm here. So today we're supposed to cook chapo, so I think so I want to start doing that. She's the best when it comes to cooking it, but I prefer doing the dough. So I think so I'll just do the dough with you guys. And then mabeshto wangu wananiita sherehe bwana, wananiita sherehe. I think so okay, this is the worst thing about not having how do I put it, someone else to help you with the kid, because now when I look at it, sasa mimi ningetoka niende sherehe zangu, but now I have to wait for the nanny to come and assist me on that, you know. Na vile naitwa sherehe ingine hapo wase, yeah. But anyway, let me see how it shall go, nione kama nita manage kutoka. But if not, let's do first the cooking of the chapo, guys.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. You're like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. The steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I've been love somebody. Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, the fire calling me. Boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time. Boy, you don't know the reason I know. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, the fire calling me. Boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time. Boy, you don't know the reason I know. Well, do you love yourself? Like a magnet to a knife.
So hii naeka ni maji si moto sana, sijata iboil sana, but it's quite on the high. It's not ile ati warm room temperature. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Some people prefer using cold water, but for me I prefer using warm water. Abu comment down below what you prefer using, guys. Yeah. So I have only put salt and sugar, as you have seen. Yeah, so sai nikukoroga. I'm just using a spoon.
Baby, the fire calling me. Boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time. Boy, you don't know the reason I know. Well, do you love yourself? Like me, like a magnet to a knife. Like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so my thoughts.
Make sure your hands are clean before you do this. So I'm allowing the dough to rest for some time, yeah, before you can start the cooking. Yeah, don't miss out on this step. Yeah, like don't make your dough and then start rolling it immediately. You need to let the dough to rest. Yeah, so see you after this. Yeah, let's allow the dough to rest. Yeah, so actually someone recommended you should use a polythene bag if you have one. It normally helps to soften, yeah, to soften the chapatis. Yeah, that's why I'm using this ones. Yeah, this one is from the bread wrappers. Yeah, okay guys, let's let it rest and then we shall be back. Let me show you some of the grocery things that we have gotten. Yeah, it's not a lot, but can you imagine all this? Just my 1000 bob imeenda, by the way. So let me show you. So tumechukua dania, we have some nyanyas, We've not gotten a lot because we had some in the fridge. We have some hohos, we have some carrots, we have some kitungus. What is this one called? This one is called kitungu saumu. Just a crop na kuweka hapo onekane. Haya, we have some kitungu saumu, some ginger. Actually, by the way guys, I was told that you're not supposed to leave your kitungu ikiwa imekatwa nusu hivi. Actually, this is poisonous, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we have that. And we have other things over here. We have tuko na mahindi, waru, ndizi, cabbage, kamande, beans. Yeah, just basically such small things, yeah. So because we are planning to do tomorrow, we're supposed to do tutapika githeri na tupike beans, yeah. At least tuzieke kwa freezer, yeah. So I feel we are sorted, so we can be sorted, and then at least with the kamandes, beans, tutakuwa at least sorted things to kula na chapati na rice. Guys, as I told you, mabeshte wangu wameshinda wakinicall tuende sherehe na wao. So, na sherehe ikikuita, you answer. Sherehe ikikuita, you do what? You answer. This is me. I hope I'm gonna get somewhere I can be able to take a better picture. But guys, let's go have fun. Let's go have fun.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Sherehe haitaki hasira, Unani understand? Ukiitwa sherehe, you respond, yeah. Guys, this night, where?
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.